Midsummer is nearly here and we are celebrating with some great new videos for your viewing pleasure. We start June with a brand new video in our Sensational Sewing Seminar series, where expert textile artist Dion Swift shows us the importance of correct machine threading to really help your threads relax and perform their best for all your sewing projects. Valerie Nesbitt is back in the studio with a great windmill quilt design that uses the brilliant Fangles technique to create really easy half-square triangles. Helen Dayan also returns with her guide to Japanese braiding that literally anyone can do with these fabulous kumihimo discs that you can take anywhere and braid all sorts of different patterns simply and easily. We reach episode 3 of our Structural Stitches series, and this time Dion Swift is showing us how to create amazing 3D pleats and waves with very little effort on your sewing machine. And our Tip Thursday for June features Claire Campion, advising us to practice with small blocks to improve our muscle memory and become confident quilters. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our workshops, led by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £5 a month.